How to cancel your Whoop free trial membership. So if you're currently on the Whoop free trial, I'm going to show you how to cancel this to stop you from being billed in the future. So if you go over to the Whoop app, you can click on More at the bottom of the page. You can then scroll down to My Account and you can select Whoop Membership. So here you'll be able to find all of your current membership information. Now to actually go and cancel this, we need to do it from an internet browser. So go and close out of the app, and you'll need to load up an internet browser such as Safari or Google Chrome. You'll then need to click on the address bar and type in app.whoop.com. Now you'll need to go and sign in to your Whoop account, and then once you're on this page, you can scroll right down to the bottom and select cancel your membership. You can then select take a survey to cancel. You can then press no thanks, still cancel, and you'll basically need to go through all of these questions to cancel your Whoop membership. Now once you've done this, the free plan will be cancelled and you'll no longer be billed annually.